Do you ever find yourself juggling a dozen things at once? Answering emails while on a call, scrolling through social media while watching a show, or switching between three different projects thinking you're being super productive? It feels like you're getting more done, right? Well, today we're going to uncover the hidden truth about multitasking and why it's actually slowing you down. What we call multitasking isn't really doing multiple things at the same time. Our brains aren't wired for that. Instead, it's rapid task switching. Think of it like this: your brain is on a highway, cruising along smoothly while you're focused on one task. Every time you switch to something else, you're forcing your brain to take an exit, stop, figure out the new route, and then get back on the original highway. Each switch, no matter how brief, has a cost. Your brain has to pause, reorient, and rebuild its focus from scratch. When you're deeply engaged in a single activity, your brain builds momentum. The neural pathways for that task are firing efficiently. Information flows without a hitch. But when you get a notification and check your phone, that momentum shatters. Even if it's just for a few seconds, it can take several minutes for your brain to get back to that same level of deep focus. These little mental reboots add up throughout the day, leaving you with a huge hidden time debt. Let's talk about working memory. This is your brain's temporary sticky note, the mental space where you hold information you're actively using. The problem is, it has a very limited capacity. When you try to juggle writing an important report, remembering your grocery list, and thinking about what to reply to a text, that mental workspace gets incredibly crowded. It's like trying to cook a complex meal in a tiny kitchen with ingredients scattered everywhere. You're bound to forget something or make a mistake. Important details get pushed out and the quality of your work suffers. This is especially true for tasks that require creative or deep thinking. Problem solving, writing, or learning something new all rely on sustained, continuous thought. Your brain needs time and space to connect ideas and let them develop. Constant interruptions break that delicate process. You lose your train of thought, and those brilliant aha moments become much harder to find. It's like trying to build a complex Lego model while someone keeps shaking the table. On top of all that, multitasking is a major source of stress. The constant ping of notifications and the long list of half-finished tasks keep your brain in a state of high alert. This fragmented attention can increase your cortisol levels, making you feel anxious and overwhelmed. At the end of the day, you might feel exhausted from being busy all day. But you do not have that satisfying feeling of true accomplishment because nothing was ever fully completed with your undivided attention. Modern technology is a huge part of the problem. Our devices are designed to keep us switching. Notifications, pop-ups, and endless feeds train our brains to crave constant stimulation. Over time, our ability to maintain focus on a single thing can actually weaken. We get fidgety and uncomfortable with silence or a single task because our brains are so used to the constant dopamine hits from switching. So, what's the solution? It's simpler than you think: single tasking. By dedicating your full attention to one thing at a time, you allow your brain to work the way it was designed to. You'll find that you can process information more deeply, solve problems more effectively, and produce higher quality work. Studies consistently show that people who focus on one task finish it faster and with fewer errors than those who try to multitask. You can retrain your brain to focus. Start small. Turn off notifications. Set a timer for 25 minutes and commit to working on only one thing during that time. Create a quiet, distraction-free environment. At first, it might feel strange, but with practice, your mind will get better at sustaining attention. You'll find that your productivity increases not because you're doing more at once, but because each task is getting the full, powerful attention it deserves. So next time you're tempted to juggle everything, take a deep breath and remember, one thing at a time. Your brain will thank you for it, and you'll be amazed at what you can accomplish. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, be sure to like this video and subscribe for more tips on working smarter, not harder. See you in the next one.